How to log in Snapchat account from desktop. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel Help Deck. So in today's video I'm going to be guiding you on how you can log in and then use Snapchat from your browser. Could it be a desktop, a Mac computer, or even a laptop? So just make sure to watch the video till the end. So Snapchat officially introduced Snapchat Webs, and if you'd like to use Snapchat Web, all you need to do is just go to snapchat.com. I will also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box. So when you go to the website, you will basically see this type of interface, and then it'll just ask you log into chat. Now by the way, you also have the option to download the application if you want to from the top right, but I'm not going to do that. For this video I'll just select login button. It will simply ask you to enter your login username and ID. So just go ahead and then actually enter your Snapchat account's username. So let me also go ahead and then do that accordingly. Once I enter the username, I'll just click the next option. Then once I click on next, it is going to ask me to simply enter my password, right? So I'm going to go ahead and then simply actually enter my password as well. Once I enter my password, if you're not sure what you've typed in, you can just tap on the I button. If you forgot your password, you can click on forgotten password and then just click on the next option over here in order to successfully log in. For the final part, it will ask you to verify it inside of your phone. Then once you've done, you will be successfully logged into Snapchat on the website. This is how you can use Snapchat on website. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you in the next video.